Now we would like to test with the Traxxas, the March 3 faster 26 plus 2 watt. Okay, we try this for non Traxxas battery 8000. Take this side up. Okay, we will see this one too. Put it right here. This is for balance charger. And select. And still working, not yet finished. And you see the data on the smartphone. This one still 3 minutes, and this side is 4 minutes. With the left side is 3,500, and the cable is 2 more minutes. With the right side the 8,000. Okay, this is a Traxxas charger, live dual charger. The code number 2973 with the Traxxas ID. But this I want to test with the another brand battery, means not Traxxas battery, and no ID LiPo battery. This will sell. They have a 3,500 milliamp, and would like to charge by connecting this one, this balance charge, and this connector, the red in the left hand side. Okay, and would like to speed up the power, and this with the speed 2, it would connect like this one. And in order to start this one, it is unlike the Traxxas brand's battery. They have the ID check, like ID check brand, just automatic, and they can protect us from the dangers of explosion of wire or something. But if you use with no ID battery, which mean another brand battery, we use this one balancing. And with this model dual charge battery and the code number 2973 charger, you cannot use it by press this one to start up. Yes. And another way, on this on the we can use the app from the app store. This one you can search is a pick live from the app store. Yeah, so from app store Android. if you use IS, you can go to and search for is the prepaid light. Okay, let's start by connecting. First we need to press on the link page, the link page here, button for connection, like the blue flashing, it shows for connection the application. Do not forget to turn on the Bluetooth on your device smartphone. Okay, so we will connect each other. Let it connect. Okay, this already connect to the smartphone. I use the Android, so plus you can use another smartphone, Android or iOS, and search and install Pixel and try to connect together by pressing this one and turn on the Bluetooth on your smartphone and connect it. When the device is connected, it show like interface like this one. And if you decide, you should click on this button, this side, and the right click here. But no battery on the right side, so you click here for your battery on the right side here. Okay, and you should enter the setting. It would be more dangerous that you don't use the ID battery. I don't know. So the first use will test too. Sorry if any mistake. And okay, we just setting to connect to amp output. Okay. What is the charge rate? The charge explain us, and you agree next. Yes, this is show our battery is 2 cell. 2 cell is show here. 2 cell battery capacity 1000 milliampere and charge 2 ampere. Yes, save profile, no need. Okay, you can click done. Okay. Balancing and click done. Okay, sitting here, next done. Okay, so the next step should start. On the interface, so you should press this button ID on the 2973. This is the code of this charger. 2973. Here, position. Start and then here. So okay, press and hold this button. Yeah, we press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Require. This fixing again. Maybe it's not connected to each other. The effort to connect and then disconnect. Okay, for shipping, this is the Traxxas is planned and we call in application. So click like server page 1, cell 1, 4.1, cell 2, 4.2. High setup. Okay, that's all. Back. Okay, and the 3, 4, that's already. So they have enter setting, reset and start. Just click here, start. They also click on the button here, and they have the green light flashing. So that's why you should click here. 1, 2. Okay, now they start charging. Let's see on your smartphone. When we have 11 minutes to complete. And on the side the balance charge and this LiPo tire battery, you see, and maybe nearly complete because the battery is not run out. They have to nearly full battery. I come to test. Estimate minute remaining 10 minutes and 6% input 8. Okay, this is the button stop charging. You can click it to stop. And this one for your cell count, the information. Let's run out. This application is good like this one. It's okay. Let's see its work. Okay, this the charger code is 29733 Traxxas Dual battery charge with ID's technology, and charge it with another brand battery, not Traxxas battery. So we have no ID. So we should use the application to help. We cannot start with the hard charge. We cannot start with the button on the charger without an app on the smartphone. So we should connect it first and setting it on the smartphone to make it work. If no use on the smartphone, maybe you cannot start here. We are try around 1 hour to study about this one. Yes, and I have some and start button and connect each other and try to set up this first, and then it works well. So if you not set it first or start with the application, the device charger is not work with a non-ID battery with this model 3973. It's maybe another model or the Traxxas maybe work, but this one not work with a non-ID. It can use the app, to go by app to make it work with non-ID battery. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you don't understand or how to use it, you can comment below. To help if I can. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and comment below. Thank you. 8 more minutes. Okay. This I will test the Traxxas charger 2973 model for dual charge and charge 2 battery in one time. Yes, this is the battery show, and this one maybe click here, maybe nearly complete. 2 more minutes. And this one they just put another one before 1000 milliampere, very big size. There's a small size one 2300. Okay, now they work. And this will have 2 fans for cooling. The blue line is for the Bluetooth connect to the smartphone device to see the information. Okay.